In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy stock pre-market on Charles Schwab. So first of all, pre-market sessions on Charles Schwab are from 7 a.m. to 9:25 a.m. ET, okay? So that's important to know, and now let's continue. Now, you can place this trade just like you would do with any other trade. You want to go up here, hover over trade, and then you want to click all-in-one trade ticket. In here, you will then have to select, of course, your symbol. In this case, there was Amazon selected. And then over here under action, you will, of course, have to press buy. Now, from here, you make sure the order type is set to limit because it will work only that way. And then under timing, you have to press extended hours AM, which is essentially the pre-market over here. If that doesn't work for you, you can also do a day plus extended hours. This will do a similar thing. Over here, you then have to go to the bottom right and press review order, and then from here you will have to essentially review your order, and then over here you'll see the order messages, and it will say please acknowledge the following messages. This order is being placed in the, it's not going to say aftermarket, but it's going to say pre-market trading session, which is separate from the standard market hours trading session. And then you want to confirm that. If you agree with that and if everything is fine, you can press place order, and your order has been successfully placed. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.